super crunchy, refreshing, slightly vinegary, and slightly salty Korean cucumber side dish. Oh, it is bursting with so much watery, yummy goodness. Hi everyone, this is Helen and welcome to Modern Pepper. Modern Pepper channel offers Korean cooking lessons with tons and tons of tips for authentic Korean dishes as well as Korean fusion dishes and a little bit of that tasting show. You know, to show you how delicious Korean food is, and vlog series where we review anything related to Korean food and kitchen gadgets and more. So if you have not subscribed, please do consider subscribing. Before we begin, I want to teach you how to phonetically pronounce 오이무침. 오이 means cucumbers. 무침 means hand salad or something that you mix together as your side dish or as your main dish. Typically, oimuchim is made spicy, but today we are going to make it non-spicy. And this recipe is from this really super authentic Korean tofu stew restaurant called My Tofu House in San Francisco. So if you happen to be in San Francisco and you are craving authentic Korean tofu stews, go there. And I'll have the link to that restaurant in my description box below, so check it out. Also, one of the things that I really love about that restaurant is their O-Yee BanChan. So today we're making oimuchim, and generically we could also call it O-Yee BanChan. And they make it so yummy. I had to ask the manager nicely. I was like, I really love these cucumber side dishes. Can you please tell me how you make this? And you know, he was really nice about it and he told me how this is made. So we have 3 Kirby cucumbers that I washed, and what you want to do is take your knife and just go over the skin of the cucumber like so. This is just to remove the stubbles. It looks like pimples on top. And then you want to cut the ends off like so and cut it into big chunks. Doesn't have to be perfect, like so. And place them in a big bowl. And we need some brining salt. And I just want to show you how coarse it is. This is typically what's used to make kimchi. And then we're going to put 1 tablespoon and a 2nd tablespoon. Then we're going to mix everything with your hands. And to this, we're going to pour some water. Make sure it's filled to the top. And set this aside on your kitchen countertop for about a good 15 to 20 minutes. And we'll come back to it soon. We need half a teaspoon of pureed garlic. And when you puree it using a microplane, it makes a huge difference versus just finely chopping it with your knife. I highly recommend that. And approximately half a teaspoon garlic, 3 tablespoons of white vinegar, 1.5 tablespoons of honey. Using a microplane again, less than 1/8 teaspoon, so very little. Lemon zest, 1 teaspoon of salt, and then we're going to dissolve all the ingredients with the vinegar. The honey will dissolve much better with the vinegar. Then 1 cup of water. And we're gonna add some scallions, just the green part only, about 1 tablespoon. And some freshly ground black pepper. You have to taste what you make, right? You have to make sure you like it the way you like it. So perhaps you might like it a little saltier than this or slightly sweeter. But in general, this dish is not meant to be sweet, okay? The sweetness should be very subtle. So let's have a taste. Wow, there's a lot of flavors. It's vinegary, it's slightly garlicky. You could taste a little bit of that lemon zest in the background, very subtle. A slight saltiness, and then the sweetness is almost non-existent. Oh, this is really yummy. So make sure to thoroughly rinse the salt brined cucumber under running cold water at least 3 to 4 times to remove the excess salt. Then using a tall plastic container, place all the cucumbers in here and just loosely pack it down like that. Now we're gonna take our liquid and just pour it into our container like so. And I never like to waste any ingredients because my grandmother taught me not to. Yep, they come from that era post-war where nothing must be wasted. So just pack it down a little bit like so, loosely. Put your lid on it and let it sit in your refrigerator for 10 to 12 hours or overnight, and it will be ready to go. It will be crunchy, delicious, and slightly salty and garlicky. All right, now it's time to taste. I mean, the new one that we just poured the liquid to my right, it's crunchy. It's just very mild tasting. It still tastes very fresh. Okay, this one to my left is from last night that I pickled. You could taste a little bit of the vinegar in the cucumber. Oh, it's so refreshing. And then it's just like the garlickiness is so subtle now because it's been sitting in this liquid. This is not meant to be sweet, by the way. In general, Korean food is not meant to be sweet. Oh, this is so good. Now, I would consume this within 24 hours after you pickle it for 10 to 12 hours. So I made this just the right amount of saltiness for me. So you can make it saltier, but I like it just slightly salty so that I literally could have this as a snack. I know it's summertime, we're all trying to like slim down a little bit because we have to wear like, you know, bikini. Well, not for me, I don't wear bikinis anymore. That was long time ago. But you know, you still have to try to like get in shape, you know, because you're going out to the beach and all that. So sometimes I will skip my dinner and have this instead. So I feel a little bit less bloated in the morning, ladies and gentlemen. Tip. That's good. I could eat this all day. Oh, it's so refreshing. Oh, it's so shione. And that's our thing with our food, especially during summer. We like it how we like it. Oh, good. I hope you make this because you could put this out when you have your party as a vegetable appetizer. Anyway, I want to thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. I hope you subscribe to my channel by clicking on that button that you see at the corner right there. Pink button, click on that. And also, please do click on the bell notification so that next time when I upload my video, you will be notified so you won't miss a beat. Or you won't miss any delicious Korean video recipes, right? Now, if you're a fan of cucumbers and you're looking for another dish that's not spicy and that is perfect for those hot summer days, I have another recipe coming. It's called O-Yee, which means cold cucumber soup, that my grandmother used to make for me during those hot summer days, just to make sure that I'm hydrated and also that my belly is happy. Until next time, happy Korean cucumber side dish time with your family and friends. Bye now.